What's going on YouTube? About another video today. So today we actually got a special install. If y'all watched last video, y'all would know. I hinted as. And let me go ahead and flip the camera and show y'all. You can tell from the thumbnail and what I'm about to tell y'all, but we're installing an Icyaero V1 rear diffuser. Overall, I kind of mocked it up to see what it looked like earlier. Should have taken it off, but hopefully everything fits. The only problem that I see so far with something that I already have would be the rear spats. Let me go ahead and show y'all that too, so you guys understand what I'm talking about. So these right here, my touch it right there, but since I already have the carbon piece, I doubt that it's gonna fit. I'm not gonna lie, I really like the carbon piece more. So shout out Icyaero, but worst comes to worst, I'm gonna have to trim that down to fit this and still maintain the rear this. But I'm gonna go ahead and take that off first, see if I like it or not. If worst comes to worst, I'll just take this off and then just, deal with this. But overall, pretty straightforward. I had it in the instruction downloaded that came with the package and everything like that. We'll go ahead and set y'all up and just put the diffuser on. All right, here's a closer look at the rear view. Kind of mocked it up right there, but see how this actually looks like when it installs. Go ahead and set y'all up. Got it slightly mounted up. Sorry, we're on phone camera right now. Literally these two bolts right here, such a pain in the ass on both sides. I'm gonna put some holes right here and here. All right, midsection is on. We'll go ahead and take a quick dinner break, and then we'll go back and install on the rear spats. I'm debating on if I should take these on or off, but we'll see whenever I get back home. But overall, pretty sturdy. Pretty sturdy, bro. Looks pretty good too, in my opinion at least. Let me know what y'all think about them below, but let's go ahead, take the dinner break, and I'm going back and rid of the rear spats. All right, we went ahead and take off
We're gonna trim that shit up.
We went ahead and took off the rear spats. Used to sit like right here-ish. But with that, I don't know if I really like the look of just this. I don't.
Can't see nothing.
Just this. I think it sits around like here, honestly. But it's cool and all. It goes with the diffuser, but I love the rear carbon right here. So I think we'll go ahead and trim this down to where it lines up with this and sits flush. Just tuck it under here, use the same bolt mounting points, and then put it back onto this. So wish us luck. I went ahead and used the Dremel, cut that off. Sorry, it's a little cold right now. But I'm gonna use the rest of the Dremel, cut this to match it, and it actually fits pretty well.
I ran this over, by the way.
What?
Big body type of wide body kit.
What happened to this?
I ran it over. I just said it.
All right, here's the stock spat. Carbon spat. This one we trimmed it, cut it down. It fits just like so. See, fits right there, perfectly and everything. Not better than the carbon, to be honest. But go ahead, put some bolts, self tappers, and everything, and then we should be done. Here's a rear diffuser fully on. I was like, here's what I meant by the rear spats. Just trim it down so that it fits in with the carbon rear spats. Boom, boom. Full view. I'll show y'all tomorrow in the morning so you can actually fully looks like, but I think it looks pretty good, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this down and then continue this video tomorrow. All right, guys, bright and early in the morning. I think if y'all watched the last video, then y'all would know that I installed the Wolfbox 840 camera, but I guess they sent me out of an older one, I guess. So I went ahead and got the replacement 840S newer gen, the one with the Wi-Fi, because I was telling y'all about last time that came with Wi-Fi and stuff, but that one that I got did not. So go ahead and got the replacement. Go ahead, I think it should be pretty simple, because just replace the camera, replace power wire, everything else should fit. So go ahead, just pretty much show you whenever I'm done with that. So I'll get back to y'all. Alright, so cam's fully installed, literally just a different software, I guess you could say. But this one comes with Wi-Fi. You go here and it goes Wi-Fi right here. I'm gonna go ahead and set that up and then pretty much close out this video. Alright, change of plans. So y'all can tell we're actually in the car. It's about 9:04 in the morning right now, and we actually found Cars and Coffee meet pretty close by, because my cousin right here, y'all met him, his name's Brian from Cali. Brian with an I, not a Y. But he's never been to a car meet, so I was like, oh, let's show you out. So I'm currently with Tim, as you can see, just following right behind Tim right here. We're just currently on the way to the meet, and then see what happens after. But I was like, might as well just film this for the vlog. It's just a diffuser install, and maybe there might be some crazy cars there. So I'm gonna get back to y'all whenever we get to the meet. So we just made it. Some crazy cars here, I ain't gonna lie. That front row parking right here, damn. Then at 35, it's turning on. That's not a 50th anniversary. Oh, it was, but it's not. Damn, this M3 comp with this color, bro. So nice. Nah, it's crazy, bro. Yeah, this color's too clean, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This bagged ass Lexus, bro. So that beat is chopping right there, I ain't gonna lie. Look at this Lambo. God damn, bro. Look from the back end. Look at that, bro. Shit's so loud. God damn. So many V's. Bro, this Evo 9's so tough. Until he got done to it. Like, I know what I'm talking about. It's a bit hella clean, though. Damn. GSR. Down. I'm telling you, I love the rears on these, especially with the carbon wood that comes factory. You know, I love my STI, but I don't give it up for Evo 9 though. Shit's so sexy, bro. Either that or like a GC8 or something. Shit. Honestly, bro. So it's pretty tough though. Oh, I need one. Bag G37, full carbon front end. Looks real though. Looks kind of. It's cool though. 14 and 20. Down. That's crazy, bro. I don't know how people run this without thinking about rock chips, bro. I know this for sure ain't PPF. It looks clean though. To the rear. These Man, slams for flow. This car though right here, this car looks familiar, but I can't tell from where. Thing bug out coming up. Down. Bro, this ZR1 is so tough. Dude, it looks so good from the front, bro. It looks so aggressive. The C7 over C8 any day, I swear to God. Carbon hood and everything. Woohoo! Carbon, bro. God damn. Dude, that looks so tough, bro. Z06 too, but this ZR1's crazy. I like the wheels on this guy though. These, the chrome, that was the time. God damn. Oh shit. Dude, that's tough, bro. I want to bet one day. Jesus. Funny out loud. The Slam Ass ES350, bro. Look at this guy's exhaust. Jesus Christ, bro. What the fuck? What an MBRP tip coming out, bro. God damn. Bro, that's red interior. It's so tough, especially with the steering wheel. 650 out of 650, bro. Yeah, I'm not a big Corvette head, but let me know what that means in the comments or something. This is tough. My best bet so far is a ZR1. That shit is too tough. Look, the sun just pulled in, bro. Dude, this GT4 is tough. With a BBS?
BBS.
The what?
I said BBS, bro.
It's in my phone Calgary mode. Say, watch out. Let's check out the front end though. Down. Nah, that shit's toe tough, bro. He's looking at me. Nah, this GT4 is tough. But don't get me wrong, it's not a GT3 RS though, but it's cool. Look at these two Z06s, bro. That was mad black. It looks so stealthy, like Batmobile. This shit just look like a transformer. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. It's pretty crazy. But this M8 paint color, kind of tough, bro. Y'all can't really tell on cam like that, but that's actually nice. I ain't gonna lie. Damn. Ooh. Yeah, you got hella brake dust on this wheels, bro. You know, they're bronze, so they're not even gloss black. Hey guys, this is Brian with an I, not a Y. This is tough though. This is better. So yeah, that's a classic line of rivalry right there, bro. If I'm gonna lie in this battle, the Evil 9's winning. The 03 CB does not have it, bro. Real talk, bro. These two look nice. I know my friend wants one of these. I think that's a 300 SL, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not fully sure. But these two look so clean, bro. I swear, bro, these Cali people, all they care about is Teslas, bro. Like, we get it, your gas price is expensive. Move to Texas instead. Actually, matter of fact, don't even move over here because then everything's getting more expensive. So, matter of fact, stay over there with your Teslas, bro.
Oh, not a Tesla, bro.
Matter of fact, bro. Yo, actually, he drove his car all the way over here, bro. This Porsche is so tough. Carrera, right?
Oh, that's just like a pack-a punch.
I'm gonna lie. I still want an F or S, bro. Like, this makes me want to get one. I still want a two-door coupe. There's one right here. Bro, look at this Martin, bro. So tough. See with the dry carbon? Damn. It's like a full roller car or something. It's a Batmobile spec. God damn. What? Ventures? I don't know. How much saying, man? Carbon roof, carbon mirrors. Dude, the roof is so tough. Oh, regardless of that, this is a tough car right here. I think he's just for work too. It's pretty cool. But you can't keep up with me anyway, so it's all good. Alrighty, meat's over. It's a Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna go ahead and close the video off here. If y'all like the video, make sure y'all go down, like, subscribe. Hopefully y'all like the diffuser. It's a little aggressive looking, but in my opinion, the only other one I want to get, honestly, is probably like the, what's it called? Oh my god, I'll pop it on the screen right here. I completely forgot the name. But I really do appreciate y'all, and I hope you have a blessed day.